Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to unbox this DeWalt combo kit for all these power tools. So I just wanted to open it up, show you what's inside, show you what you're getting, and we'll go through them individually, and I can even give you some part numbers as well if you're interested in seeing that. And we'll just kind of show you what the actual size is of the tools and which ones you're getting. So first off, when you take it out of the box, you'll notice that you have a really nice 24-inch carrying case. So this is really good for job sites, or even if you want to take other tools around with you and leave the power tools at home. So DeWalt has a lot of pride in their work, built in the USA, and guaranteed tough. So you're getting good quality with DeWalt, and for that reason they're a little expensive, but at the same time you're gonna get the quality that you need. So what we'll show you here too is there's a huge savings buying this as a kit rather than individually, and so we'll go over even some numbers specifically of how much money you'll save and all that. So we'll go ahead and open this on up and show you what's inside. So when you first open up the bag, you'll see they're individually packaged, not too much on them, just in plastic bags basically, but they all come in here. And there is an accessory package here that has one of the saw blades, so you don't want to throw that one away. And of course there's owner's manuals for everything in here too. Okay, so here's basically everything that you get out of the packaging. And so we'll go through some of these, and I'll even give you some part numbers and show you the prices. Now, all in all, you can get this entire kit for $479, and I'll put a link in the description for that. The total value individually, if you're going to buy it, would be $746. So huge savings buying it in a kit, and that's the way that it's intended to be. That's why people buy the kits. So we'll just go through and show you here. And so this is the charger, and it even has the part number right there on it, which is nice. They have a lot of part numbers on their tools. And so the charger is a $35 value. Then you have 2 batteries that come in the kit. So you have 5 total tools that you're using, but 2 batteries, and that should last you, unless you're trying to use all of them at the same time, but you could buy more batteries if you want. But each battery is valued at about $59 is their regular value for the 20-volt lithium ion, so very nice batteries there. The drill here is worth about $133 is its average going price. And then the long saw here, that one's $129 value. That's what you'd expect to pay for it individually. The hammer drill, $129. And then the circular saw here in the back, its price is about $89. And then the light goes for $43, once again if you're buying individually. And even though this is kind of thrown into the kit, the value is still here. The blade's a $20 blade, according to their part number, and the bag is a $50 24-inch bag. So that's everything you're getting in the kit. And so that's going to be, like I said, a total value. If you were trying to buy it individually, you'd pay $746. As the kit, you can get it as low as $479. So just check the link in the description as well for that. And what I like about DeWalt in this case is they're going to give you model numbers on everything, so it's not like they tried to throw in a bunch of cheap ones, and I hope you won't notice which one it is. You can actually research each of these individually with these different part numbers. So I think that's a really nice touch to it as well. I did notice they don't give you a blade for this one, but they do give you the circular saw blade. So now we can review these on the channel over time as we use them. But one thing I just show you real quick here is the light is actually really bright, and you can twist the head up and down, so it's gonna be really good for working on the car. And when you're underneath the car, having to shine up underneath it. So I was a little skeptical about the light itself, thinking, well, that might just be something that they throw in for fun, is to give you that 5th tool. But it actually looks like a pretty nice light, and it should last quite a while with that lithium ion battery. Also, the battery is really nice because it does have the little gauge on here that you can push down, and it'll show you how charged it is. So that's a nice touch. And of course, it comes partially charged, so we don't want to run these down yet. We're going to go ahead and give them their full charge here. So I'll just give you kind of a basic look here of these, and they're nice and heavy. You can tell they're good quality, really nice construction here that it's going to last a long time. And it has the different attachments on the top for what you're trying to drill in. And this is the different speed settings as well, 1, 2, and 3. So that's the drill here, and it does have the nice little light that comes on. So that's always a nice touch when you're going to drill into a wall or whatnot. So it does come with that, and it stays on for a second after you've used it. Hammer drill would be pretty much similar to that. So I like the size of this one. It's smaller. I do have, you know, for my other automotive stuff here, my 1/2-inch drive Craftsman, you know, for some of the bigger duty stuff. But you can tell that I've put the 3/8-inch reducer on it, because you don't always need a 1/2-inch drive unless you are doing lug nuts or something major. So it is nice to have a smaller tool like this to zip things on and off, and different attachments will fit into the nose of that. And then the saw seems like a really good high quality saw here too, so at some point we'll use that on the channel and do our own review on it. But anyway, that's just the basic unboxing and what you're getting. Just wanted to show this to you. This obviously goes on the front, so you can use it to help drill in. But if you have any questions, put them in the comments. And that's just basically what you're getting in this kit. And again, that's a pretty good value, a couple $100 off if you buy it in the kit rather than individually, which is the way they intend to sell it that way, so that you're getting a bargain deal. So anyway, thanks for watching, and check the link for check the description for links to the items. I'll put them individually and as the kit. Thanks, guys.